Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are feeling super wintry. We did this fun red lip look that I think is perfect for Christmas time, winter parties, anything like that. We got our Christmas tree. We're feeling very festive today. So if you guys do want to see how I create this look, you can just keep on watching, and be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, and be sure to follow me on social media. I'll have everything in the description box below. And with that, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so we're gonna get started with the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. I have not used this in a hot second. It is broken, but yeah, there's some really pretty shades in there. We're gonna stick to pretty neutral colors today since we're gonna be doing a red lip. So I thought this would be a great palette to just use something different because I haven't used it in so long, and because it has a lot of those really good neutral colors. I am just going to start with the shade Salted Caramel, and just taking that on a JH31 brush. Just going to start that in our crease and use that as our first transition shade. Next, we're going to go into the shade Milk Chocolate. Just going to add that to our crease. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of do a smoky eye, so we're just kind of adding that and bringing it all the way across the lid. And the last shade we're gonna go in with this palette is the shade Semi Sweet. And I'm just taking that shade on my MAC 217 brush, and we're just gonna be bringing that down to the lid. So I'm just going to dip into my ABH Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to take a little bit of Cypress Umber. Kind of want to use the shade Bronze. It's this one right here. I did use this in the excuse me, in a tutorial a couple videos ago, but I'm just gonna spray my brush and not apply concealer because I don't want it to be super gold. So I'm just gonna see how it looks to add it on just without concealer, and we're just gonna do it on the lid. I want a little bit. I mean, it still goes on really nicely, but this is like a beautiful kind of foiled gold color. I feel like it's kind of perfect for like holiday makeup. We're just gonna go back into the shade Cypress Umber with our MAC 217 brush and just kind of blend around the edges just to make it a little bit softer. This is still a little bit darker than I was kind of planning to go, but it's still a pretty easy look. And then I'm just taking the JH32 brush, which is a really nice blending brush, and just blending out so there's no harsh edges or anything. So we're just going to go ahead and pop on some liner. And I'm using the Inglot Gel Liner, and just taking that on my favorite Sigma EO6 winged liner brush. And just curling our lashes. And popping on some mascara. I need to get a new one. If you have any recommendations, let me know. I want to try something new because I've been using this past couple times, the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, which I do love still. But I'm always looking to try something new. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got my lashes on, and I went ahead and primed my face using the L'Oreal Magic Lumi Primer. And I'm going to use the same combo that I did for my last video. We're going to mix this one with the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation because this one's a little dark and this one's a lot light. So we're just going to mix a little bit of both on our hand, the back of our hand. I'm just taking my Eco Tools foundation brush and applying And then just going in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C6. And just blend that out. And then we're going to be contouring with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C13, which is just a really nice dark shade. And then I'm just going to try to do it really lightly on my nose so it doesn't get too much. You really don't need a lot or else it's really hard to blend out. And then we blend again using our same Morphe sponge. I like to just kind of bring it up along the sides, so kind of just like on my hairline, to kind of bring it all together. And then we're just going to go in with our Hula bronzer and bronze up the face a little bit. Alright, and then we're just going to go with our Too Faced Peach Perfect setting powder and bake our contour. And then just taking the ABH brush, just going to take a little bit of powder and place it under the eyes to set that concealer. And I just kind of dust it away. I don't like to bake under the eyes or else it just look all crusty and it just doesn't look good. For highlighter, we're going to go in with our ABH Amrezy Highlighter. And then going into our Morphe Blush Trio in Pop of Coral, and just kind of mix all the shades together. Alright, so we're just going to finish up with the eyes now. We're first going to take the shade Marzipan. We're going to use that on our inner corner. Then we're going to just take those same transition shades and some of the bronze shade from the ABH palette. So I'm taking Milk Chocolate, Semi-Sweet, and Cypress Umber from the ABH palette. Blend that out a little bit. So we're just going to brush away our bake and then just take our sponge and blend everything. And be right back for lips. Okay, I just had to go brush my teeth so I don't get red lipstick all over my toothbrush, and I keep forgetting to put in earrings. Anyway, okay, so the lips. So yes, we are doing red lips today. I'm trying to think which liner to use. We're going to be using our Fenty. Debating which red liner to use. I have this one from Maybelline, the Gigi Hadid, which is a very bright red. And then I have one from NYX, and it's in the shade Cherry Skies, I believe. I think I'm going to go with the NYX one. It just seems like it'll go better with this, with my liquid lipstick. So we're going to go in first with that. And then going in with our Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in Uncensored. Then we're going to set everything and finish up with some lower lash mascara. Alright, so that is it for this look. I gotta make this outro quick because my battery's about to die. But I really hope you guys enjoyed and found it helpful. If you guys try to recreate this look, definitely let me know in the comments below. And if you did like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos, and hit that post notifications button so you're notified every time that I upload. And with that, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!